What's up, everybody? This is Danny from Volatile Solutions. Today, what we have in front of us is a 2016 Lexus NX200t. What we did is a brand new digital remote start from iData. Now, this is a brand new system that came out for Toyotas and Lexuses. Customer is able to use his factory key fob, and he also opted for some prestige remotes. 2 buttons. This is about 1,500 feet in range. The cool thing about this system is that you can use Smart Start, you can use Viper remotes, and code alarm, and different remotes like that. So it's a nice little system. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna demonstrate off of the factory key fob first. We're gonna lock it 3 times. You saw the little lights turn on there. There you go. For this system, it's going to run for 15 minutes. And then after that, it will automatically turn itself off. Now, the door locks do work like normal. Now, the only thing about this Lexus is there is no takeover. So once you open up the doors, it will turn itself off. That's something that some Toyotas and Lexuses just do not have, okay? So when you do get a vehicle done like that and it happens, that's probably why, because it's just not available. Now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it. Use the remote. I'm going to go ahead and push it twice to turn it off. 1, 2. See there, it turns itself off. I'm going to turn it back on again. See what's in there. It's going to run. Now the cool thing about this is that you can unlock the doors as well. Just push and hold. Unlocks the doors. Now this still works. This proximity still works. So if you were to go up to the doors, it will unlock like normal. So that also works factory. But again, like I said, if once you open the door, it will turn itself off. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, hey, give us a call. 708-538-8008. Visit our website, volatileSolutions.com. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, our YouTube page, obviously. And yeah, thank you for all your dedication, all the fans out there. Really appreciate it.